I tested an AI tool that can turn any product into multiple video ads in minutes. And the interesting part, you do not need to record anything, write scripts, or edit videos. You just paste a product link and the AI builds full ad creatives for you, including script, visuals, voiceover, and even different variations to test. So I wanted to see how good this actually is in a real workflow. In this video, I'm testing Creatify AI, a platform designed to create and test video ads automatically. We'll generate a real ad, customize it, explore advanced features like batch creation and AdMax, and see how useful it is for creators, e-commerce brands, and anyone running AI ads. Welcome to AIChief. I'm Clay Fletcher. On this channel, I test the latest AI tools and show you how they actually work through real examples and step-by-step demos. If you enjoy practical AI tutorials and want to learn how to create video ads with AI, you can also join the AIChief newsletter for weekly AI breakdowns, prompts, and tool insights. The link is in the description below. I'm currently inside the Creatify AI dashboard. If you want to follow along, you can open the link in the description, create an account, and test the same process yourself. The idea behind Creatify AI is simple. Instead of using multiple AI content tools for scripting, editing, and production, everything is combined into one platform. You provide a product link, and the system generates a complete video ad using AI. This is why tools like this are becoming popular for AI content creation, e-commerce video ads, and social media marketing. Let's try it. Now I paste a product URL and click Analyze. The AI scans the page and extracts images, product details, and key selling points automatically. You can see everything is already filled in here. I can edit the product name, adjust the description, and select which visuals to include. This step replaces manual research and speeds up the entire workflow. Here I can define how the video will be created. I select the platform, aspect ratio, and duration. For example, I can create vertical video ads for TikTok ads or Instagram Reels, or horizontal videos for YouTube. I can also define the target audience, which helps improve how the AI generates the script. Now let's continue. Creatify generates multiple scripts automatically. Each script is based on a different angle, such as benefits, storytelling, or direct response. This is important because strong hooks play a major role in video ads. Instead of writing scripts manually, you get multiple variations instantly. I'll select one of these and move forward. Now we choose the avatar. Creatify provides realistic AI avatars that act like creators in your ads. This is useful if you want to create AI UGC ads or talking videos without recording yourself. You can also create your own avatar if needed. For this demo, I'll select one of the realistic avatars. AI starts generating the videos, and instead of one video, it creates multiple variations at the same time. This is one of the most useful features for ad creative testing. Small changes in video ads can affect performance, so having multiple versions helps you identify what works faster. This approach is widely used in AI ad creation and e-commerce marketing. You can see all the previews here. Let's open one of them. Here's the generated video. You can see the avatar, captions, visuals, and structure of the ad. If you want to edit anything, you can open the editor. This works like a simple video editor with a timeline. You can change text, captions, music, and scenes. Once everything looks good, you can render and download the final video. One feature I like here is batch creation. You can generate multiple video ads at once instead of creating them one by one. This is useful for testing different hooks, styles, and formats. If you are working in dropshipping or running e-commerce ads, this helps you scale content faster. Instead of spending hours creating ads, you focus on testing and improving results. Now let's look at one of the advanced features called AdMax. AdMax is designed to manage the full ad workflow. It helps generate creatives, test them, and track performance. You can also explore competitor ads and see what is working in your niche. This gives you better insight into your ad strategy. Instead of guessing, you rely on real performance data to improve your campaigns. Creatify AI offers a free plan with limited credits, so you can test the platform. Paid plans start around $39 per month and include more credits and features. Higher plans include more avatars, batch generation, and advanced ad tools. What I like about Creatify AI is how it simplifies the process of creating video ads. The ability to generate multiple variations makes it useful for testing and scaling ads. This is especially helpful for creators, marketers, and anyone working with AI video ads or content creation. If you want to try Creatify AI yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Test different variations and see what works best for your content or business. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to AIChief for more AI tool demos, walkthroughs, and practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.